PlanMyStudy is a complete solution for all your educational needs and desires. You be a student or a teacher, be a school or an educational institute, or be a coaching or tuition class. PlanMyStudy helps you in getting exclusive educational aids at every level. Do it yourself, DIY, science project kits or project components, physics and chemistry laboratory apparatus and equipment and mathematical tools, educational charts on every subject, robot and drone kits, robotics, electronics components, N52 grade neodymium magnets, powerful ferrite magnets, handwriting improvement slates and tools in all languages, microscopes, telescopes, binoculars, and monocular, puzzles and various types of Rubik's cubes, audio-video based digital learning and English speaking course. PlanMyStudy has every solution. Visit our website planmystudy.co.in or WhatsApp us on 93250193556 for more details. Thank you.